Okay, so shall we go through the process? So
Yes, please.
basically, what you need to do is sync your account, right? So let's go back to here. So when you click sync, you get your choices of wallet here. So yeah, make your choice basically. So you got desktop web wallets, which are basically you sort of download a little file and it goes onto your desktop, and you click that every time you want to fire up your wallet. And then you've got Temple wallets, which are sort of built into the browser. Load Temple wallet. So are people following along to this? Do I need to go slow and check that everyone's there?
Yeah.
Yeah. Go to install now for your browser. Choose your browser. So I'm on the Brave browser. So you've got these choices. So, my opinion, Temple has been probably the most stable wallet and kind of nice wallet to use. Kyokai is okay, but it's a bit of a pain having to keep. I don't know if you find that, Maria, having to keep clicking on to log into it. You have to keep going to the file to finding the file on your desktop.
Also, I'm all right. Like but then to be fair, I never close my laptop. I just leave the tab open. However, I don't know if this is an issue you have with Temple, but I have a lot of glitches with Kukai, which is I think the reason, like that mixed with the fact that I'm impatient is the reason why I lost money is because every time I tried to swap or burn or whatever, like Kukai kept like not like it would receive a notification, but every time I tried to basically approve of it, it would then like glitch out and cancel.
Yeah.
And then I would refresh and realize that it actually didn't get cancelled. It did go through, but for some reason, it gave me the notification that it was cancelled, which meant that I would do it twice. I would lose money. So Kukai is glitchy like that. Does Temple have that issue?
So the Kukai thing is I find it a bit temperamental as well. Temple can be, but it's a lot more stable. I found. If I were, my preferred wallet is Temple for me. Okay, so this is the critical bit, right? So once you're at this stage, is anyone actually following along, or shall I just go for it?
Well, I am, but
Great.
I just created one Temple account.
So you've done this already. Okay, so
yeah,
I'll go through just some points just to remember. So important existing wallet. So that is if you've created a wallet already, and you're moving to another computer and you want to sort of add that wallet, you need those 12 words in order to do that. Yeah, and your password. If you don't have it, then you've lost everything in the wallet and you're never going to recover it unless you know those 12 words. Yeah, it's really important.
Super scary. Yeah.
Super scary.
Yeah.
And also write it down.
Write
Don't
it.
Copy and paste.
Yeah, write it in a book.
Yeah.
So I'm going to do this now and share my screen, but I'm going to burn this account, right? So so don't worry about it. So okay. So put a password in. I'll just write it down so I can remember it. And then accept terms. Create. Oh, so it's got to be 8 characters. It's got to have some sort of thing like that, and it's got to have an uppercase, lowercase number. I need to remember what I just did now. Okay, I think I remember. And then create. Okay, so again, this is the critical bit. You really need to make sure that when you hover over this seed phase, that when you press this seed phase, that you basically. Now, I wouldn't even copy it and paste it. I would definitely not store it on my computer. I would literally handwrite all those words down. In a little book or somewhere, and then keep it somewhere safe. Yeah, when I first started, I was kind of cutting and pasting them and saving them in a Google Doc or a Word doc, and and the more and more I read, I knew that was a bad idea. So I've kind of abandoned those accounts. Well, it's only like 2 accounts, but yeah. And then so once you've copied that, so sometimes it actually gives you like a test when you're setting up. I don't know if anyone else did it, but it will actually ask you for certain words in certain order.
Oh, it hasn't for me.
Yeah, no. So I think that's the other one. So I think Galleon does that. I don't know whether the one that Maria used did that. Where you literally had to. It says what is number 7 word, what is number 8 word.
Yeah, that's several
Yeah.
times.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So continue. And we collect. What's it saying? Okay, that's it. Literally, that's as simple as that. So setting up a wallet. You've now got your address. So this is like the address here. You can copy it, and it looks like that. So that's my address. So if that's how people know it's my wallet and that's my account. That's the one that you'll literally send to people if you want them to pay you.
So hang on. So that you just put that in the browser bar now, and
No,
then it shows
just to show you what it is, basically. But it's there.
Okay.
So it's always in your account here, there, right?
Yeah.
And then it shows you how much TES you got. If you want to receive TES, again, you can just copy. Either get someone to scan the QR code. So you can just send that to someone. So if someone's sending you some TES, just copy that address and send it to them, and then say thanks. Or you can send TES. So if I want to send TES to you, I just get your address when you give it, and I paste it in here. I put the amount of TES, and then it goes off to your wallet. No, so at the moment, no financial transaction has happened. So there's your wallet, and then if you've got your crypto exchange, again, that's the address you send your crypto from your crypto exchange to, from your Tezo crypto exchange. Okay. Okay, let's do some transactions now. So with Nunc, I'm not synced at the moment to any account. So if I want to sync I just click sync. Now I've got a wallet. I can hit sync, but I can't because I've got no money in my wallet. So it won't sync with my wallet because it's empty. So what I need to do is credit this wallet. So I'm literally just going to send some money now to this wallet. And is there anyone else that wants a bit of Tezo to get started to mint?
So can anybody do anything if they've got your wallet address?
No.
Like
well, your wallet address is there for everyone. So it's kind of, anyone can see that. You
can share that.
Yeah.
It's not like
that's like your wallet address is literally just like, is your address to set people to send stuff.
Okay.
So, but if you know someone's going to send you some money, then you need to send them that wallet address, basically.
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm gonna send money from here, from my Coinbase account to this account, right? So I'm gonna copy that. I'm gonna send that to myself, the address.
Yeah.
So I've got the address because I'm on another computer.
So just to see if I understood, this might be a stupid question, but in Coinbase you buy Ethereum, right? And then you transform. No.
In Coinbase you buy Tezos.
Oh, you buy Tezos.
Yeah.
Okay. And Tempo is only the wallet. It just receives the Tezos. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So Temple is a Tezo wallet.
Yeah.
Where,
is it only Tezos?
Well, that's all I know of it for. It's probably other stuff as well, but that's all I need to know right now. It's just a Tezo wallet, and then the what's the other one? That's Ethereum. The
MetaMask.
MetaMask. That's an Ethereum wallet. Yeah.
Okay. Got it.
So basically, so I've got that address now, and I'm in my Coinbase account. I'm obviously not going to share my Coinbase account. And then what I do is go to send and receive, and I say send. So I want to send, I don't know, let's say $2, say $3, which is, well, maybe more, $4. So that's like 0.59 TES. I send it to my address that I just did, and then make sure it's Tezos, and then I click OK. And it's literally as simple as that. So it's always worth double checking before you send any money, just to make sure that even though you cut and paste it, just make sure there's not like a letter miss, because even if that E was missing, you would just lose all the money. So that's where the cut and pasting is a bit, you have to make sure it's okay.
So just a silly question, where does the lost money go? Does it go to the wrong address, or is there some like source that's taking all the lost money?
It goes to the system.
Good question. That's a question to ask the people who collect lost money. I don't know. I really don't know where
Lost
it goes.
property.
I don't know if it just
That
gets
happens.
burnt or what. I don't know. It just disappears maybe.
So in the Coinbase account, I'm going to portfolio, right? And then I need to buy Bitcoin, or how to transfer myself money.
No, you can buy Tezos. So you need to, first of all, you need to transfer some, you need to set up your account. So you've either got a
Yes.
credit card or a bank account, or you've got some sort of bank transaction linked to your account.
Is that
Where
permanently
is
linked?
that?
Sorry?
Is that permanently linked?
I don't think I can really advise on Coinbase. That's something you've got to work out yourself.
Okay.
I would advise you take your time and don't rush it. For this particular purpose, I can send you some tests.
I just can't see. I just don't know what to do. I just see my name here. I just signed in. I mean, verified.
Yeah, like I say, Coinbase, I can't really be advising on Coinbase.
Okay.
So just work it out. That's like a financial thing. I'm not going to get involved in that.
Okay.
Yeah, have a look at it. But for the purposes of this session, just so you can actually mint something today, I will send you some TES from this account now. Yeah, so you've got some in your wallet, so you can start your Nunc account. Yeah, and then later on you can transfer as much TES as you want from your Coinbase. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Okay. So look, that was quick. I've got my TES in my wallet, and I'm ready to go. So now I literally just go to Nunc, click, I refresh the page. It's always good just to keep refreshing, because it just sometimes it doesn't connect because it's, I don't know, whatever reason. Now, and also Nunc, because it is quite new, it does have periods where it goes really slow. So just be aware. And also it's gone down a couple of times. So again, just be aware. So I'm going to hit sync. And what it's going to do is say now, which wallet do you want? So you don't create an account with Nunc. Your account is the wallet. Your wallet is linked to the account, right? So that is your signing in mechanism. So you don't put your name or anything. It's literally, you just say, okay, that's my wallet, Tezo. I'm already signed into my Tezo. Confirm the connection. Yeah, I want to connect to Nunc from my Temple wallet. Yeah, I do. Connect. Wait for this to go through. Be patient. Don't start clicking on stuff, because sometimes it can fail. And that is it. I am now synced with Nunc, because this here is, I know, because that end of my wallet address, SWHE, is showing on my Nunc account. So that's me as a user now, right? So now we can go and do some minting, right? But before we do that, I'm going to need to send you some money so you can do it. So, and this took me a bit of, so if you want to unsync, you literally go up to here and then click unsync, and that will break the connection between your wallet and Nunc, yeah? which is not a bad thing to do every now and then, just to refresh the, just to re-log back in if something's not working, because sometimes stuff gets backtracked. If you're trying to upload something, it can get backtracked and the connection can't be right. So sometimes it's good just to have a fresh, just unsync and resync. Yeah. These are the menus. So you've got your random search. You've got your OBJKTs. So that is literally your NFTs. Uploading your NFTs. This is your managing your own assets, and that's about. So if I want to upload something, I click on OBJKTs. If I want to mint, this is the beginning of the minting process.